Okay guys, so it's me again. It is I, Barack Obama, otherwise known as the political meme. And I since realized that I can record in 60 FPS because my processor isn't a potato. So yeah, let's just jump into it. In the last episode of Cat Mario, we finally beat level 1. After the first episode of this, what the heck? Why is my flash quality so low? Even though it's on high. Alright, let's just jump into it. As you can see, I've definitely not just stopped and started recording right after I quit recording. Not at all. Let's see. Oh no. I'm done with this game. Yes. Okay. We've made it through. We're pushing through. Pushing through. Get on to live try. Come on. Epic. Alright, we're on track to beat this level faster than we did the first level. Let's see, come on. Give me a good drop for the shroom. Come on. Good drop, good drop. Good drop. We've got to be able to make this work. Alright, nothing happened. It's fine. It's fine. This game is the best game I've ever played. Are you kidding me? Freaking kidding me. What the heck was that? Uh-oh. What is that language on the flag? I want to die. Shouldn't press so hard on the keyboard. Come on, come on. Good drop on the shroom. Come on, good shroom drop. Come on. Please, good shroom drop. Come on. Yes? Good shroom drop. Yes. Now I can beat the level. Yes. I can proudly say I've never died to this. At all. Definitely not. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. This has been Cat Mario, level freaking 2. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a blast.